Oh, hey, sorry, I didn't see you there. Um, Tasks are now live in the dashboard in preparation for the new feature, which should be hopefully coming out after the weekend. That's going to be like a Tinder like kind of interface for moving through tasks and following up the context using AI. It's going to be fucking brilliant. But in the meantime, now we have tasks. This will show things like overdue tasks or complete tasks, and you can have an indicator of what's actually going on with the task. It'll say upcoming or overdue or completed, and then we also have the name of the person who's assigned if there is one. And you'll be able to tell which ones are AI generated. So this one is AI generated, but in a little bit, all the new tasks are going to have the AI generated tag. And so you'll be able to see, like, okay, this task was generated by AI, and those will be especially helpful in the new interface that we're working on. So, yeah, that's basically the entire update. Super short video here. In other news, um, things have been actually improving a bit. So, for messages, one interesting thing, I've mentioned this before, but HighLevel doesn't give us the full message status sometimes. It'll just say sent, and so I actually want to know whether that message failed or if it delivered or what's actually going on with the message. So now what we're doing is we're inserting the message, but if our status is sent, pending, or queued, meaning it hasn't been, we don't know if it's going to deliver or if it's going to fail, then we're sending a callback. So this is just a delay, and this is basically going to iterate this response so that for 5 minutes and over, I believe, 10 attempts, so like almost an hour maximum, we're going to keep checking back on this task to see, okay, did it actually, do we have a status for it yet? Did it deliver? What's the update? So, yeah, that's really how that is improved. So now, we should have less messages with sent and more accurate data in terms of like, did it fail, whatever. And then for our actual event receiver, so this is what catches all types of events. Basically, what we're doing is we try to handle the event. We have a function that does that. And then if that task fails, we're going to catch the error. We're going to create a random delay. And so basically, it's just going to retry every event between like 1 and 10 minutes later. And I think we have 3 attempts. So between 3 and 30 minutes later. And this should really help with because like if you ever send bulk actions, if you were to send like a text, like you never want to do this, really send like 1,000 emails at once or 1,000 texts at once, but some people do it. Or even if you just add a tag or delete a tag from 1,000 contacts, that fires an event from HighLevel over to my app. And so what would happen previously is, well, my phone would blow up because every error that happens, I get a notification, and basically it would just be like, look, shit's going wrong. And the reason why is because I'm getting a ton of events. With every event, I ask HighLevel for some more data, and that was basically causing rate limit errors with the HighLevel API. So with this approach, even if you do fucking an insane update, it should resolve, and we shouldn't have any issue with basically updating, tracking that change that you made. So, anyways, those are some big improvements in reliability using a queuing system. And then, yeah, tests are ready. And next things are this actions view, and automated reports are coming out soon after that. So that's really the plan. And yeah, looking forward to building that out.